For the production of rubber boots, large molds are used, with which boots of any size and shape can be manufactured. This milling machine is controlled by artificial intelligence and can carve sculptures of large sizes and any shape with fantastic precision. An interesting conveyor system for moving cargo in the truck bed by sliding guide rails on the floor. Now there's no need to climb electric poles. Just sit in this lift chair, and it will lift you to the required height. A compact and automatic universal-sized car cover developed in Korea. It easily fits in the trunk, and to use it, just place it on the roof, and it will pack your car itself. A very large vacuum cleaner for collecting urban waste is indispensable after major holidays and large events, when tons of garbage remain on the city streets. A special printer that can draw any image on walls or glass. How it accomplishes this without falling is a secret of the creators. A powerful screwdriver for construction or large repairs. It can drive various screws at a speed of 100 pieces per minute. This enormous shredder can crush and dispose of waste of almost any size and material. Wall plastering with a machine for automatic application of mortar can become a favorite activity, and the quality of work is top-notch. The mechanism for burning wood waste that farmers use to turn ashes into fertilizer by burning small wood chips and spreading them in the field. Such demolition work is very dangerous and can lead to tragic consequences. An excellent tool to bend any metal that comes into hands and build muscles without going to the gym. This giant press is capable of crushing even a small truck. The day has come when robots handle the process of planting seedlings, and it's entirely automated. This guy looks small against the backdrop of this huge circular saw. A massive drill is specifically made for drilling out tree stumps, but besides that, it can drill through just about anything. Many dislike cleaning vegetables, and specifically for such people, this device was invented, which easily peels not only apples or oranges but even a cat. an ideal tool for grinding walls or polishing large surfaces. Drones are increasingly used for tasks that are beyond reach. The process of making popcorn may seem like a very dangerous activity because a high pressure forms inside the metal container. With this cleaning equipment, you can easily clean not only soft toys, but also your favorite pillow and even a cat. An indispensable device for any driver, it allows lifting the car or inflating the tire anywhere without the need to call a tow truck. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.